everyone, I'm Vicky from Indie Vicky channel. I'm gonna be teaching you how to crochet, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a slip knot and how to do chains. I'm using a 5mm aluminum crochet hook. There are different ways to hold the crochet hook, but this is the way I hold it because it is easy and comfortable for me. And there are different ways to hold the yarn, but this is the way I hold it. First, I'm going to show you how to do a slip knot. And there are different ways to do a slip knot too, but I'm gonna show you the way I do it. This is another way I usually do my slip knot. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to crochet chain stitch. To crochet chain stitch, we always start with a slip knot. After you've done a slip knot, you've got one loop on your hook. Next, I'm gonna do chain stitch. Wrap the yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop. Wrap the yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop. Wrap the yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop. And just keep doing that. So, I'm gonna show you how to count the chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.